Holi might be the festival of colors for most of us, but for some in Uttar Pradesh, it's about ashes, sticks, and laddus. We're talking about some of the Zara Hatke Holi traditions in India's most populous state. Our story begins in Nandgaon and Barsana, two towns near Mathura. The women here playfully beat up the men with large sticks while they shear themselves during this ancient annual tradition. Legend has it that a young Lord Krishna lived in Nandgaon and visited Radha's hometown of Barsana during Holi. He would tease Radha and her friends, the gopis, with colors and they would playfully hit him with sticks. This gave birth to the practice of Latmar Holi. Every year, Nandgaon's men go to play Holi with Barsana's women at the Radha Rani temple there. It is the only shrine in the country dedicated to Radha. The next day, Barsana's men visit the women of Nandgaon and play Holi with them at the Nand Bhavan temple. But the story of Barsana's Holi doesn't end there. Here, there are lathis, there's singing and dancing, and there's also one other special treat, laddus. The priests at the Radharani temple shower laddus on the large crowds of people playing with colors. Here, take a look. In fact, laddus are so integral to Barsana's celebrations that the festivities are even called Laddu Holi. A few hundred kilometers away at Varanasi, revelers smear their bodies with bhasma or ash from a pyre instead of colors. This is called the Chitta Bhasma Holi or Masan Holi, and it's celebrated at a cremation ground. Each year, the Manikarnika and Harish Chandra crematoriums host saints, seers, and devotees of Lord Shiva to play Holi with ashes. Hindu mythology suggests that Shiva visits the cremation grounds the day after Rang Bhari Ekadashi and joins in on the celebrations.
बाबा विश्वनाथ स्वयं मणिकर्णिका तीर्थ पर मध्याह्न स्नान करने आते हैं और उसके बाद अपने उन सभी प्रेमी भक्तों के साथ चिता भस्म की होली खेलते हैं.
Devotees sing and dance endlessly to the beats of a power drum or damru and throw colors on each other. For centuries, Varanasi has been celebrating death as though it was a festival with the hope of attaining salvation. And this Masan Holi was part of a similar tradition.
Go Pago.